Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can return messages on Messenger, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in a chat, which I have created with a test account that I have created, and I'll be explaining how you can reply to messages here. Now, as you can see, you can very easily just tap here and then just reply to a message if you enter the actual chat, and that is the standard way of actually returning messages. Now, the other two ways that there are these things called bubbles or pop-ups, I guess you could call them. They're sort of like these, chat bubbles, which appear at the side of your screen whenever you get a message, and you can just tap on them and then that'll enter you into the chat and you can reply to the message here. Now, the third option is you can just scroll down and go to your menu, and then from here you will see a pop-up of your message that you have received. Let's just imagine that this do not disturb prompt notification is the message that I have received. If you pulled this down, you would be able to see a reply button, and you just need to click that, and once you click that, it'll create sort of like a text field where you can type, and then once you type out the message, you can then just hit reply, and then you can send the message that way as well. And it looks pretty much just like this. You could very easily send messages as you would in any other format, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.